TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from the shores of a beautiful Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 11 a.m. update. We begin our day with a mixed bag out there. You've got the Dow up 231, S&P's up 671 for the NASDAQ 100. The Russell's off 5 points. The trainings are up 77. Semis off 15. NASDAQ Composite is up 70. New York Stock Exchange down 18. I told you we had a mixed bag. We got a mixed bag in metals. You've got gold that's trading off $55 and silver's up 24 pennies. Crude oil's off $1.28. Natural gas down 10 cents. Copper is flat out there. Let's try to figure out what all this means by looking at that 9-panel market update chart. We'll begin with the ES Mini, NQ, and the Dow. The top row of charts out there, they all have one thing in common. Today becomes bar number 9 of a TD9 count topping pattern. That says a top should form between today and tomorrow. Price should then retrace back to its oscillator and change line. For the ES Mini, that oscillator and change line is close to the top of its profile, so that pullback should take us back to 68.12. In the case of the NQ, 25.572. And the Dow, I'd say the top of its profile is close enough to that green oscillator and change line, so 47.129 would be its initial price target. High-grade copper just consolidating with inside its daily profile. Gold is traded now below 4,490. That's the bottom of its profile. If it closes 2 days below that, we should see a move to 38.61. 38.61 is the TD9 count breakout level. In the case of silver trading below profile support for a second consecutive day would suggest, and maybe it will do this over time, get back to 38.01, but today's going to be bar number 6 of a TD9 count pattern. That says that we ought to, if price continues to move lower, maybe what we're going to see is a TD9 count bottom. Not there just yet. Too early to call, even though I just called it. I think it's more likely that will happen than price getting all the way back to that breakout level. Light sweet crude is still trading above the top of its daily profile. This is day number 3 to the downside. Perhaps price is going to go target profile support, which would be the top of that profile, 59.06. Natural gas trading below a red oscillator and change line. A close below 391 ought to take us to 381. And finally, the 30-year Treasury has a TD9 count top. Price right now is trying to get back above the top of that daily profile. It will accomplish that task with a close above 119.02 or at 119.03. If we close above 119.02, we likely go target that TD9 count top. Folks, stay tuned for the Trader's Edge Show, but if you're up to start your Tuesday, have a terrific one. Thanks for joining us. We'll look forward to speaking with you again soon. Take care now.